Here we have a 2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack with a 6.4. We just removed the rear mufflers, as you can see. Put some nice black exhaust tips in here to really fill up the space there in the cutout. Got a nice clean look now. Put some single chamber V-tube mufflers. Gives a lot deeper, throatier tone than the straight pipes a lot of guys run. Gives it a lot better scavenging to the exhaust, so gives it a little more horsepower, a little more torque. Come to find out. Should give it a good rumble. Let's see what it sounds like.